massage guns have been making their way into households across the world ever since their first introduction. Their at-home ability to reduce inflammation by flushing extracellular fluids and venous blood out of the muscle tissues and into the circulatory system has been essential to some people's recovery journey. Bob and Brad have been at the front line when it comes to helping with the development of products like this. With a huge line to choose from, their newest addition is not something to be overlooked. This is the Q2 Mini massage gun, and at the current asking price of under £80, it boasts the ability to provide pain relief and recovery in a pocket-sized form. Let's see what all the excitement is about and unbox this guy. The packaging is where I was first surprised. At the current asking price, the quality of this carry case is outstanding. They've opted for this metallic metal looking material on the front, and it really does contribute to the overall premium look and feel of this device. When we open it up, we can see what's inside, and it gives off this friendly, easy to use vibe, and by that I mean it certainly looks like something everyone could get used to and handle with ease. We get 2 replacement rubber seals to help with the longevity of this item, a very detailed and helpful user manual containing all the information necessary to set this up and help with advice for different applications throughout your body to help with pain and recovery. There are plenty of detailed videos online from Bob and Brad themselves explaining and going through exercises, so those are certainly a good watch. But if you don't want to, this user manual is detailed enough. So like with most of these massage guns, you do get several attachments, and in this case you actually do get 5. All of them offering a unique way of using this device, and we'll discuss about that a little later on. The form factor of this device is outstanding. Not only is it truly compact, but the build quality is really nice. Despite its reasonable price, it feels like a very expensive product. With a bit of weight to it, it indicates the use of good materials. Don't be fooled by its small design though. This little guy can pump out some serious power. With a new proprietary brushless motor, this offers something very unique. The ability to perform with the balance between power and size, making it a convenient option for getting the quality relief on the go. With a maximum speed of up to 3000 RPM and a vibration amplitude of 7mm, this little guy can not only break up knots, but relax his tight muscles, digging deep, relieving those hard to reach muscle groups. You'd think that its compact design would lack the battery life to impress. However, with a 2500 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, well, this could easily last for up to 4 hours, making it a fantastic on-the-go tool, allowing you to stick it in your bag for gym sessions or even to the office. With only 3.5 hours to charge it from the impressive USB Type-C fast charging point, getting a full charge doesn't really have to take you that long. Thankfully, this has over 5 adjustable speeds to play around with: 1800, 2100, 2400, 2700, and a very impressive intense 3000 percussions per minute. Each speed delivers greater therapeutic benefits for the body, but it is always best to try and follow the manual as well as the timing for each deep tissue sessions. This is just purely because a lot of research has gone into these exercises and the optimal times and methods to ensure the best results while ensuring you don't cause damage to your body. Each massage head targets different muscle groups. With over 5 to choose from, there really isn't a body part that can't be hit. The ball head is fantastic for large muscle groups. This could be anything from your thighs, back and more. With a bullet head, you're going to get a targeted deep tissue massage. Your palms, soles of your feet and joints will benefit from this head the most. Now the fork head is my favourite. I spend a lot of time in front of a computer, so neck pain always occurs. With this head you get a targeted widespread massage that's also good for your spine or Achilles heel. The flat head is somewhat universal, having a very widespread use throughout the body, allowing you to use it pretty much anywhere. And finally, that air cushion head takes up the slack of providing you a much more sensitive and relaxing feeling. This will work best on sensitive areas throughout the body, or even using it after a deep tissue massage to help relieve the area. The form factor, build quality and overall design is truly impressive. It boasts the ability to be very versatile in how you use it, and to be honest, how you store it too. Its portability is certainly a huge selling point, but that's not the only thing. From the high quality case to the abundance of massage heads, at the current current asking price, it really is a nice piece of kit. Bill and Bob have brought their research to the front line when it has come to the development of products like this. There is so much support on their website, not to mention the manual provided offers enough to keep you busy. Check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.